Hey guys, just wanted to quickly give a shout out to Frankenstein FPV. I'll put all the links below. He gave me a receiver last night after I discovered that mine was actually really bad. So the solder joints and stuff on the actual chip was bad, so it was not working. I put new motors on my quad. This is my quad. Put new 1407 3300 kV motors on a 3-inch Apex. I'll be running a 550 mAh 4 cell on this trip, and I'll put you in now. Alright, let's do this. shout out to Frankenstein FPV. For the receiver, I wouldn't be able to fly today. Even though it's raining, I still got the feel of my brand new packs and the brand new motors. It feels good. It's not very efficient, about a minute 40 of flight time, but God, it feels good for a heavy thing. It's about 316 grams with the GoPro, and it doesn't feel like it with this battery, so I'm really stoked on that. I'll try the 850s, I mean the 654S, and see how it feels, but they're so much heavier, it's not funny, so it's trial and error. Thanks guys.